comfort food. It's just one of those things that we all gotta have. So today I'm going to show you how I make my comfort pasta. I'm going to use diced onions. I'm going to use this it's like a mini bell pepper. It's sweet. It's fine at Spanish stores. You don't have to use it, but I grew up with it and it gives the meats a nicer flavor, so I'm gonna use it. I'm going to dice some bell pepper, green bell pepper, and I am going to use half of a green scallion, and I am just going to dice it, chop it really good, and then the other half I'm just going to throw in my blender because I am going to use it for my blending mix. A bunch of cilantro. We're going to use about 4 garlic cloves, 1/4 of water, and we're going to use a tomato and a half to make our base. We're going to saute the veggies that we diced on a little bit of water. I don't want to use oil because I don't want to give it that extra grease. And then we're just going to cover, let it cook for about 5 minutes, come back to it, mix, add our blended mix to it, mix, cover, and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we're going to add some paprika, cumin, garlic powder, cooking red wine, and we're going to add a salt. Just mix it. Add your meat. I'm using 93% lean ground beef, and then we're just gonna mix it all together, and then we're gonna cover, and we are going to check 10 minutes after. We're just gonna stir it, and we have to add some veggies to it because, you know, doctor says it's good for us, so we just gotta throw them in there. They're cooking it for about another 15 minutes. We're going to add 2 cans of condensed mushroom soup. And then you can add more if you want. I stick to 2. I add a little bit of water, mix it all in together, and then we are going to make sure that this is well blended with all the ingredients in it, the meat. In the meantime, we are going to make sure to cook a pasta, whatever pasta of your choice. I like to use short pasta for this type of dishes. We're going to cover, let it cook for another 10 minutes, come back to it, and this is done. We're going to remove from the heat. Then we're going to add our choice of cheese. I use shredded cheddar, mild cheddar cheese, and I use about 1.5 cups. I added the cooked pasta, blend it really good with all the ingredients, mix it, and then if you want to add a little kick to it, you can add a little bit of paprika to this while you're mixing it really good. I didn't because of my daughters, but it does come out really good. Serve with some Parmesan cheese. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you save this recipe and follow for more. Thanks for watching.